Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and guess what today is? That's right, test and tune day. So today is the day that we're going to figure out on the car if this intake is going to be quicker or not. But the only way we're going to find that out, we have to get this car to the track. Temperature today in Tulsa is really sunny, kind of on the cool side. It's going to be high in the high 50s, low 60s, but we're going to go out there anyway because the sun is shining. So with that, let's go ahead and get the trailer ready, get all the stuff cleaned up, and get ready to go to the track. So here we go. Up, getting ready to head out to the track. As you can see in the previous clip, we had the methanol carburetor on, so should have started up here a day or so ago. It was leaking a little bit. Just have to tighten these things up after you assemble them, run it, then tighten it again, and it should be good to go. So anyway, that's what we did, and the car's kind of pre-warmed up, so when we get the track, it won't take long to get down the track. So here we go. Got ready to swap the intake. We did one pass so far, so here we go. Let's get this one pulled off. Okay, swapped it over, got the other intake. Go up to the track and, oh, sorry, son. See what it does. So that first pass was like a 66 or 68 or something like that. So I just did it one and felt good, felt strong. So we're gonna go ahead and see what happens with this one. Okay, the numbers are in. The first pass off the trailer was a 668, 101.8, 60 foot. I'll just put it in the video. But anyway, this first pass I did the 668 at 101.8. The next pass, 660 at 102.49. So better 60 foot, 141. So anyway, I'll post that in the video here so you can see it. We might go tweak on it some more, see what else we could do to it. So might take some, add some more jet to it, see if it likes it or not. So here we go. Guess what? Do another jet change. Or we did one jet change. We went up, had what, 54s in it, went to 58s. It slowed down. So we're going down to a 52 and see what it does. So hopefully we'll repeat that number pretty close to what we had on the first pass. So I got actually a Camaro on top of the car that run there. That was our last run of the day. I mean, it's almost 5 o'clock here to shut things down. That was the best pass too. So we put the 52 jets in it. We had started 54s, we went to 58s. We just did a 52s on the jets, and that was the best pass of the day. Especially this late of the day, how the track conditions are and stuff like that. I'm very pleased with the intake. So yeah, that's that's well money spent, I guess you could say. We didn't throw money away on that one. So yeah, that one down there, I think I'm going to be getting rid of that one. So expect that to come up on for sale here real soon. So anyway, okay, time to get things loaded and get this car home. Hi guys, thank you, really do appreciate it. Share it, like it, leave comments down in the section, do whatever you need to. But anyway, sure do appreciate you guys watching the video. With that, until next time. Just let you know, I'm packing her like a sardine. But anyway, golf cart car, I'm sitting up here toward the front. Anyway, out of here.